We got ourselves a little bit of a package in from EZ Grip Squeegee. I didn't order anything, so let's see what it is. Shannon, what do you think it is?
A squeegee?
Could be a squeegee. I don't know, the box just seems really square. Let's go ahead and open this package.
It says squeegee.
Yeah, we'll find out what it is. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, maybe it is a squeegee. A little bit of a, kind of a hole in it so you can see what's going on. Not that that was intentional, but all right. Attention, Matthew Chevalier. Samples, EZ Grips. There we go. Just a little note. What do you know? I don't know why, but I didn't think that. Wow. Okay, so looks like we have about 4 of them in there.
Was that right?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. So what we got here are some EZ Grip Squeegees. We have one. We had a student come, brought it over, and left it. We have 4 of them. Now 5. That's pretty cool. What do you think, Apollo? Apollo's kind of sniffing it out, but that's pretty awesome. We've used these in the past and I really like them. Although these days we don't do a whole lot of manual printing. We will, however, need some blades. So I might end up buying some 70, 90, 70 durometer squeegee blades. And here's the little brochures in there. Oh, thanks, Apollo. Hi, Apollo. Apollo can't use them. He's of no help. Yeah, very cool. I actually really love using the one that we do have. I just want to give a huge shout out to the EZgrip.com. That makes the EZ Squeegee. I believe that's what it's called. I might be saying that wrong. But yeah, EZ Grip Squeegee, push or pull. We have one out in the shop and have used it quite a bit, especially on those long runs. Let me show you. So here is the one that we do have here in the shop. We've used it recently, so yeah, it's great stuff. I think with the 70 durometer works really well, but I've kind of become a fan of the triple durometer squeegees. Really helps with doing white prints and whatnot. So huge shout out to you guys. I really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you've always been curious about these, they're really great. So until next time, guys, we'll see you later.